I'm God. Hello to you, dear and beloved people, my sons and daughters. I will speak today about process which souls go through in planet Earth, about the universe and creation. I will help you to understand how you ascend through incarnations and between them towards the end of the incarnations and return home to unity with God. In this planet there are a variety of souls in different soul age, big difference between them. People see only the outside look and don't see the soul. It is hidden. They don't see the soul age, don't understand why they are so frustrated if their partner or friend with not fitting soul age, because there are big difference between them. There are people here who had only 2-3 incarnations, and there are those who experience more. There is young souls, mature soul, and old souls who had 30-40 incarnations, maybe also incarnations of animals before they were human beings, were angels or aliens in different universes. This planet is a planet of divinity appearances through human beings in variety of human beings which were in different dimensions. In other planets in this universe, we send to incarnate people who are more alike. In planet Venus, the same kind of souls, angelic souls who are not very developed in planet Ma'adim, which and its purpose in matter. His residents are not there anymore. In planet Andromeda, meteors fell, but the planet still exists, also Ma'adim, because the meteors fell only in areas where there were people and didn't destroy the whole planet. It is very important for me that people will understand in planet Earth we expect people to connect to higher dimensions of elevation. Understand that in order to end the incarnation and achieve real elevation, freedom from return incarnation, they have to connect to the higher chakras, to the higher place of their soul, their higher self, and the high divine consciousness which human being forgot. Now it's time of awakening. I think that people in this planet have great difficulty to understand that they have to connect more to a place of peace and calamity. This way the connection to divinity will come. They are so busy, they don't have time. The young souls are very excited from the physical dimension, from computers, all the earthy games of the third dimension, and the souls which are more mature are tired already from this dimension. They are more connected to higher chakras, not the lower chakras of surviving and patience. They are more ready to elevate above the patience. Doesn't mean that they don't have patience. Opposite, the more the soul becomes deeper, bigger and in power, the emotions are strong. But when the soul is mature and high, the person can control the patient and make his life as a master. It is good to be spontaneous, but create the life way that he will not fail because of patience, create bad karma, and connect to the higher self through peace and calamity, not looking after infinity success in the dimension of the matter. I mean success of as much as possible partner, as much as possible experiences, as much as possible work and physicality. It's fit people in the lower level, the less evolved process of the soul need to experience as much as possible. It is good, it's great. This is how the soul develop and become more mature, develop its qualities. The old souls, the real masters, the master consciousness is mature and doesn't require it from people anymore so much looking outside but entering inside. When you achieved already high level of soul and you experience a lot, you are so special, complete, feel so much with yourself that you don't need anymore much love from many partners who doesn't fit you and are not mature as you. You don't want to create karma with many people that will descend you down, because even if you are a wonderful person, if you have many relationships with partners, they end with drama mostly, even if it's just separation. This way you create lots of karma with people that might dissect the soul and return it to more incarnations, because the soul is not free of responsibility for people it created with them karma and hurt them, because the soul connected with them, very deep connection. The old souls know that in order to end the incarnations and real freedom, they don't need anymore to experience endless relationship with so many people. They can be alone long time, find peace, calamity and inner completion. They choose who really fit them in the soul age mentality and power. The freedom is inside. The freedom is not outside. You experience a lot in relationship with somebody else. You learn, become more mature, become in some level the other person. But after you will separate from him, all that left is yourself. When you will ascend in the light after death, you will find yourself alone. I am God trying to explain you that in order to end incarnations and achieve high soul level, not many people ended. There were those who ascended to very high dimensions and didn't incarnate anymore, regardless that they didn't experience so many incarnations as people in this planet. And after a long time they return here, or they prove themselves in high planetary works, asked to stay, develop up there and help people. Sooner or later they have to return here because they cannot end the cycle of their development and their incarnations. Also astral experiences in high dimensions, celestial dimensions, without achieve very high level of mentality and soul. Divinity cannot allow everyone ascend to very high dimension and stay there for eternity, because people fell from there. They cannot hold themselves. They are too weak and not enough powerful. If they don't know to control the bad instinct, need all the time to change partners and don't know to find peace, calamity and inner completion. They don't love themselves, didn't develop the mind and the emotional body, are not strong in order to overcome passions and weaknesses. They have to born through the third dimension and its difficulty, people become very strong and powerful fast. It is proven through eons. The truth revealed to us when soul raise up there after death, we know and feel very powerfully because of the high light frequency of the high dimension of the universe, who is the person, why he ascended, why he failed, why he succeeded, why he didn't succeed. We don't sit and judge in court human beings. We look and supervise. We help as much as possible. I'm God. Don't sit and give scores and tell everyone you will ascend there or there. Automatically the soul ascends in the 12 dimensions of the universe and connect to the dimension it fits through all life. After the death, it connected to guides in every dimensions and ascend. Divinity interfere in some level. In special cases, if the person asks very much for help and feels that he worthy more than he had through the incarnation and last life or opposite, the divine presence in every dimension is very powerful and awake in the high dimension, in the 12th dimension of the universe, above the third dimension. Therefore, people who doesn't behave in high level don't connect to the divine presence, the consciousness and law created in every universe and dimension. The second automatically to lower dimension or opposite ascend fast between dimensions to the high dimensions if they behave in high level and try to help and be good to people. I'm God. It is important for me high level of humanity more than anything else. It is important for me human love, human honor, good heart, and happiness that came from a place of high level inner completion and not lies of the third dimension, lies of the human Maya and ego, lies of happiness of who achieved lots of money, also through good way, but because he developed the mind and not the heart, gained lots of honor in this world and doesn't know to be high level human being or divine master.